Hi guys. So it's literally Christmas season, and of course, I've been really wanting to share to you guys a lot more consistency with regarding to making more videos to share to you guys that are items that are worth the buy. And these are 5 of the best, the most used also shoes or sneakers that I have for this 2025. These are literally I've been using them constantly back and forth. Now let's start with, evidently, if you know me, you know I love white sneakers. White sneakers is a must. I'm pretty shocked of the sneakers that I mostly used this year, which is actually this one. This is my Adidas sneaker. I was able to get this because of my uncle. My uncle actually gifted this to me. Him and his family were able to give this to me, and I love it so much. I didn't expect a color, especially this bright color of a sneaker, to be something I used a lot, but I did. It fits so well with a lot of my jeans, even my shorts, and it adds that pop of color and interest in any of my outfit, which I actually really miss during the time of when I'm just wearing like the little plain sneakers. But not to worry, I have a suggestion for you guys because this is the one that has a suggested other sneaker that I've been using also on par with it. This one is more affordable and it's much more neutral, especially for all those ladies who want to try something that's a bit more classy, simple, almost like Adidas, but it's not, and it's not gonna break the bank. And it is my beautiful Corolla sneakers. As you can see, this one is like the vibe of Samba. I think this is size 38, but I honestly wish I got a size 39 because this one is just exactly on my feet. I would opt for like a size bigger, although usually do that, but with this one I didn't do it, so I guess it's my fault. It has good grip. It has that very nice style of classy, simple, neutral. It's like an off-white color with the black stripes there. So it's very much mix of a Samba style, but a bit more comfortable because Samba is a lot more narrow than this one. But yeah, I would recommend this one so much. And I constantly use this when I started figuring out, okay, let me try wearing it for this one, for this event. And it was like clashing of colors, but it actually works. And it's the Adidas green sneakers right here. This one I was shocked because I've been using it like so much. I didn't expect it because it's such a beautiful sneakers. I constantly use it in any of my outfits. It's such a pop of color, but it's not screaming color. That's why I would really recommend you guys get this. And this one, I am shocked because I didn't really mean to film this right now. It's on sale right now. It has an ongoing sale right now at the Adidas store in Shopee. So go check it out and you might get your own sneakers. And trust me, you'll be easily wearing it every day for the next coming 2026 year. Now we're going to a bit more affordable but still practical is a running sneaker. I've been exploring different brands that are a bit more affordable and it's not gonna break your bank, but it has good quality. And I was shocked with how CAMEL, yes, CAMEL, my hiking sneakers, but this one is a running sneaker, and it's this. This is the camel sneaker that me and my hubby have a shoe that's similar together. So as you can see, it's very worn because, like I said, I've been using this constantly on my walks, my jogs, and a bit more. And it's very light. It has that on vibe because this is not gonna break your bank. How much is on sneakers right now? And I don't think I really am gonna buy one even in the future. But this one, I was shocked because it has mesh. It has the mesh design and it's also beautiful and very breezy when you walk in it. It's light, so it's easy for you guys to run and jog with. It's going to focus more on your legs, and it's not painful when you go on long walks with this because, like I said, it's very comfortable and it's great for a workout. So I would recommend this. It's a perfect gift also because there's still time for you guys to order right now that's gonna make it because this is from China. I understand that it's going to be a worry, but I would still recommend to try and get it if you're going to gift it to someone or maybe for yourself. If you really want to start jogging and you want a bit more cheaper version of an on sneakers but still comfortable and still has good quality, then try this camel sneakers here. In the camel sneaker, world or shoes, I really have this one sneaker that I'm very, very interested in. It's either the camel sneaker that's in the yellow black combination. I tried to put a photo here. It's like there's like cleats in it. It's like a soccer shoe, but it's just different. And if it's not that, the Onitsuka one, the 78 vintage, the Onitsuka California 78 vintage, I would honestly love to get that, but that's a bit more pricey. So getting it from Camel with the same vibe, it's still black and yellow. It has a different kind of a style, but still comfortable, and the sole is not thin compared to the old Onitsuka. Then I'm really, really excited to try it out. This one, I wanted to recommend it to you guys because they are worth the buy, and they're really perfect for ladies out there that have been trying to play more with the wearing dresses or wearing shorts but not really wearing sneakers. You're not a sneaker girl. I've been constantly using this since, I think, like trying out new vibes, and then suddenly my friend said that this actually looks good with a lot of the clothes I wear. But I'm not a I wasn't like used to wearing like shoes, just girly shoes. I was used to very comfortable wearing sneakers. So when I tried this, it actually works because this one elongates your legs. Like this is such a good find because as you can see also the design, it's also like pointed toe. And this one is the brand of this is a specialized in trendy women. That's the brand of this. And this is from China. But honestly, it's like Vivea. It's very comfortable. It has a good insole, so it's very comfortable to use as well and walk. And it's not gonna break or ruin your feet for if you're gonna wear it down, because of course when you're wearing leather shoes you have to really wear it first so that you can break it in. But this one you don't have to do it. It has also some like a good sole here, also the backing. So I'm so happy with this. I literally use this so much. It's not anymore its original colors. It's like a bit more dirty already, that I think you can really wear with a lot of things, with anything, because I was shocked with how much I use this with a lot of my clothes, with jean shorts, dresses, even regular shorts. This actually looks good in it. That's just for like errands. This is like a perfect shoe. Before I got addicted to this one, to this shoe, I was so my most used ballet flats is actually this one. This is my favorite. It's very Chanel-esque. It has the beautiful Chanel black toe cap, but it's not leather, so it's not painful. So I would recommend this so much. It has been fantastic. It's been like, if I want to elevate any of my clothes, if they're a bit too casual, especially I have casual dresses, this elevates it a lot. I was so shocked how much I use this. It's very neutral as well, and clean and sleek, and the black toe cup makes it a bit more luxe. So the vibe looks really, really good. So this one, Vivea also has like this kind of style. Also, that's why I would recommend it for you guys. But if you trust more Vivea than this one, then go order in Vivea. But in Vivea, it's a bit more pricey. With Vivea, it's recycled bottles. This one, I'm not quite sure if they're the same, but the quality of it is similar to Vivea, because I went already to the Vivea store in Manila and I was shocked because they are practically the same. And so that's about it for the for the shoes that I would recommend to you guys. These are my most used for this whole year, and I can honestly say they are worth the price. They have been great constant items that you could wear with any of your clothes, whether you're wearing dresses, whether you're wearing shorts. So I would really recommend it to you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Happy Christmas! Bye!